Hi, I'm Dave Booth, Vice President of Sales with Caliber Equipment. What I'd like to do today is take just a few minutes to introduce to you a new product that we have that I'm pretty excited about. This is from Viper, a division of Nilfisk. They have three different divisions, Clark, Viper, and Advance. But what we have here today is a new sweeper that has come out recently, and I'd like to go over the features on this machine and let you know a little bit more about it. This is the ROS1300, which is a battery-powered rider sweeper. And once I go through it, you're going to see this has got features and standard options far above anybody else in the industry in this category of sweeper. Now, this is battery powered, has dual front brooms, a main broom underneath, and a rear hopper. But as I go through it, you're going to see a lot of great features. First of all, very heavily built with a heavy steel chassis. And it comes with two bumpers in the front to protect your side brooms. And as I said, this comes with two front sweeping brooms, one main broom, and this has got about a 53-inch cleaning path. Well, what does that mean? Now, this machine can travel up to about 5 miles an hour, so for light debris, this machine can clean about 80,000 square feet per hour. And if you got 3 to 4 hours of runtime, depending on the battery pack, you're talking over 200,000 square feet of cleaning. So it is a great machine for high productivity in a compact footprint, which gives you great maneuverability. Let me walk you around the machine. First of all, as I said, this is a battery-powered deep cycle batteries. You can get it with flooded wet batteries or AGM. To access that, you simply lift up the main hood, which, as you can see, exposes all of your motors, your controller, your circuit breakers, and of course the battery pack. But as I said, it's very easy to access for routine maintenance and service. Right here you do have an adjustment knob, so as the main broom wears over time, you can easily adjust it as needed depending on the type of broom you're using, your floor surface, and the wear on it. But as I said, as you can see, super easy for maintenance and servicing your equipment. Wide open visibility. Operator sits in the middle. I can see both left and right side, so I have clear visibility to look out for obstacles and areas where I'm sweeping. As we work our way around the machine, as you can see in the front, this has got dual sweeping brooms. Big feature that you will not find on most other machines are these spray nozzles. This helps keep the dust down when the side brooms are spinning. Every sweeper has side brooms. They all stir up dust because the filtering is under the frame of the machine. The brooms are outside of that. You're going to get some dust. So how do you control that to keep the dust down in your facility? When you turn on this option, it puts a light mist of water down, which knocks the dust down to the floor, and now it can be picked up. Very important for controlling dust in the environment. As I said, you've got heavy steel bumpers in the front to protect the side broom motors. As we work our way around, a simple cover can be removed in order to change the main broom, which is underneath here. You've got big, heavy rubber non-marking tires. In the back is where the hopper is for dumping, and I'll show you that in just a minute. And again, as we work our way around to this side, same thing, easy access. So changing your side brooms, your main broom and adjustments, no tools needed. The other features on this, it comes standard with strobe light, backup alarm, headlight, turn signals. So it's already outfitted with all the safety options you would need. In the back here is the hopper. And once you're ready to dump, heavy hopper, large capacity, unlatch it, simply rolls out, and as you can see, you pick up light debris, sand, papers, trash, and it has a huge capacity, and the difference between a forward throw and a overthrow is you're loading from the top, so you can actually fill more than some of the sweepers fill from the front, because you can't fill up a front hopper as much as you can on an overthrow. But as you can see, it gives you a lot of capacity. Last thing is your filter. Your dust filter is behind this panel. When we take it off, it gives me access for the filter when I need to service it. Putting it back in, we just simply slide it, lift it up, latch it, and we're done. Last thing in the back here is, here's where you charge it. This particular model has an onboard charger, so a regular power cord would plug into here, or if you get an off-board charger, it would plug in here. But it's already set up for either way you want to order it. Let me hop up on it and go through the machine. Again, wide open, easy visibility on both sides. We do have a cup holder or to keep other papers right there. You have a brake pedal that locks in. That's your emergency brake and parking brake. Simple tap releases it. It also has a separate flap. What that's for is if you're doing a lot of sweeping and you have bulky trash, maybe leaves, paper, bigger debris, it can't get underneath the machine because the dust flap is going to plow it. When you come across those items, by simply pushing that down, it lifts the flap, and now the bulky trash can get into the broom chamber, swept up and put into the hopper. And then, of course, you have a gas pedal. Little storage pocket here in the front. This machine has the onboard charger, so I have a standard power cord that I would hook in when I want to charge it, and it has a USB plug as well. Last thing, because of the spray system we talked about to help knock the dust down, this is where you would fill up. This is a tank. So you would put your water in here, and when I need to keep the dust down, I would turn that feature on and it would put that light spray onto the ground, and then the brooms would keep the dust down. Let me walk through the operation of the machine. Simple key switch powers it up. Once it's set, what we can see, the type of batteries that are in here, and it's got a full charge, and that's your hour meter. Over here we have an emergency button that in case of an issue, we can push it and kills all the power. We've got turn signal buttons. As I said, this is 2 rear turn signals. That way you can better alert people around you which way you're going, so you have a right and left turn signal. Has headlights, has your horn, and a speed control. Actually, it has 2. This one controls how fast the side brooms are spinning. So if the heavier debris, you need to spin them faster. Lighter debris, I can slow them down. So I can adjust the speed when I use the side brooms. Over on this side, we have another speed control, and this so that I'm not feathering the gas pedal up and down when I'm doing a lot of long cleaning, I can adjust it to the proper speed I want to go, keep my foot down, and I'll keep the same consistent speed all the time. But I can adjust the speed by using this for slower or faster, or I can use the gas pedal. This button would turn on the sprayers when I need it for my side brooms. This turns on your dust control. Now, if I'm sweeping where the ground is wet or wet debris, I can turn off the dust control so I'm not pulling moisture into the filter, because if the ground's wet, I don't have dust. This is a shaker. Every time I'm done sweeping before I dump, when I hit this button, an electric motor on that filter is going to shake and knock the dust out of the filter, which drops it into the hopper. Here I can turn on and off the side brooms if I need them or if I don't. I've got a reverse button, and finally a green go button. So when I'm ready to sweep, I simply push one button. And now if we look at the controls, it tells you if the water is going to be running, if the dust control is on, when I want to run the shaker, the broom is on the ground, and then which direction I'm going. So it tells you everything, but literally I push one button and everything's ready to go. And then if I want to add the dust control for the side brooms, I can push that button. When I'm all done, hit the same button and everything turns off. So as you can see, this machine comes packed with lots of great features that are all included when you buy this machine. This is the ROS 1300 from Viper, division of Nilfisk, a Rider battery-powered sweeper. For more information, give us a call. Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945. And thanks for watching.